folks, welcome back again to Firewater Farms down here in PeachLand. I want to talk a little bit about what we do with sawmill waste today. I know a lot of people do different things. Just going to show you a little bit about what we do with it. It might not be the best thing, but this is our solution to our waste over here. Running a sawmill, you have a lot of waste. You usually have 30% of the tree. 30% of it's going in the waste pile. We try to use every bit we can and try to repurpose what we can, but at the end of the day, you just have waste you got to deal with. Got Bob here with us today. Y'all met Bob a while back. He helps out a lot over here at the farm and sawmill. And Bob, tell them a little bit about running the dump truck and dumping that waste out there.
Well, we got an old Ford 1-ton dump, and basically it hauls a little bit of everything, but the main thing it hauls is slabs. And as you saw with the Peterson grinder, that's how all those slabs got over there, was on that 1-ton dump. It's what, a 1975?
76, I
76.
believe. Yeah.
It's like driving an old school bus. I laugh about that, but it gets the job done.
It's got old school bus engine, what we call it, old 330 FE motor.
Yep. But we load up slabs on it and then take them over and stage them in a certain spot, and that's when the grinders come in and they grind them all up, and we can dump slabs for 4 months and they can grind them up in a day and a half.
It's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous how fast they can do it.
The grinding service we use is 1-800-MULCH-PRO. One thing we have here as far as our waste is our little self-dumping hoppers. We pick these up at ATM auctions. He's out of Monroe, North Carolina. Y'all can look him up, buywithatm.com. He has a lot of good stuff at auctions. He puts a good auction on. Very, very satisfied with everything I bought over there, and he will stand behind everything he sells at that auction. So y'all keep that in mind. You ain't just gonna be stuck with the lemon or anything like that. But yeah, basically what we do with our waste, Bob, he takes the dump truck, we throw them slabs in there. David Privette's crew comes over here and they pick them things up with a track hoe and throw them in that grinder and get it out of our way, and helps him out. So give David Privette a holler over there, 1-800-MULCH-PRO. What do you think about driving that dump truck around all the time?
It's just, I'm used to driving. It beats a 54 Ford that I drove around growing up, hauling all kinds of stuff on. But it's temperamental, but it gets the job done.
You remember when we didn't have no power steering on it for a while?
Man, I'm lucky I had my daddy's old truck. It had a good power steering pump on it. I told Daddy, I said, we're going to take that power steering pump off. He said, no. Yeah, we're going to take that, because it was like driving a truck, old 52 Kenworth, trying to turn that thing. I said, no, we're going to fix this.
Yeah, everything's sometimes a little old on the farm. Anybody that farms, they know. I mean, even if you had brand new stuff, you still be working on it. So.
Yep.
Bob, this ain't the only YouTube channel you're on. You was on one a while back. What was his channel?
Old Bear's Den of Bigfoot. Ralph and I have become pretty good friends, and if you're interested in the subject of Bigfoot, he is the one you need to talk to and need to listen to. And I told him, I said, man, I don't know if I can stay awake for more than about an hour, and we ended up doing almost 2 hours of just everything that's happened to me since I've been down here on this property 36 years now. Well, I tell you, the best evidence I have is a perfect juvenile Bigfoot footprint. I took a picture of it. We're not running around in the woods barefooted. They are.
Too cold right
here.
It's
too cold. But I mean, you tell me what in the world leaves a footprint 7 inches wide and over 16 inches long and got a big toe on it that's kicked out like an 8. You tell me.
If y'all interested in hearing some good commentary, some good stories, check Old Bear Den of Bigfoots out, and you'll see Bob on here telling a few of his stories and a few of his experiences around here. So it might be worth your while to check that out. So we appreciate y'all, and hope y'all enjoyed the video.